Have you ever wondered if there's a way to clear your clogged arteries, lower your blood pressure, and protect your heart without relying on endless prescriptions? You're not alone. I remember that anxious feeling, sitting in the doctor's office wishing there was a simple solution. Today, I want to share something that could change your life, just like it changed mine. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's Secret Tea. This isn't just any tea. It's a blend trusted by generations, rooted in nature, and celebrated for its power to support a healthy heart. And the best part? You can make it right at home. Let's talk about clogged arteries. Over time, cholesterol and plaque can build up silently, putting your heart at risk. It's scary, right? High blood pressure, chest pain, even heart attacks. These aren't things we want to face. But what if I told you, with just a few simple ingredients, you can start taking back control? Here's Dr. Barbara O'Neill's secret. A healing tea made from garlic, ginger, lemon, and honey. Each ingredient has its own magic. Garlic helps reduce cholesterol, ginger fights inflammation, lemon gently cleanses, and honey soothes the body. Together they create a powerful brew for your arteries and your soul. Let me show you how easy it is. Take 3 cloves of fresh garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and slice them thinly. Add them to a pot with half a liter of water. Bring it to a gentle boil, then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Afterwards, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon and stir in a tablespoon of pure honey. Sip it warm once a day. Now I have to mention, this isn't a magic fix overnight, but with patience and love for your body, you'll start to notice the difference. For me, it was waking up with more energy, feeling lighter, and seeing my blood pressure slowly come down. For others, it's the peace of mind that comes from doing something, every single day, for your heart. If you try this tea, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your journey. Maybe your story will inspire someone else to take that first step towards a healthier life. Remember, your heart is precious. Take a moment